So the next chapter is French accent. French accents are important for pronunciation and comprehension. They include the aigu accent. The aigu accent is a right-leaning accent mark that appears above the letters. It is mark that indicates how to pronounce an E in French. Aigu. Resume means resume. Cafe means coffee. Thé means tea. Let's practice. Read the following examples. Resume. Cafe. Thé. Étudiant means student. Next accent, grave. The French accent grave is a left-leaning accent mark that appears above the letters. Grave, like règle, means scale. Bibliothèque means library. Discothèque means disco or discothèque. Let's practice. Read the following words. Règle, bibliothèque, discothèque, très, which means very. Next French accent, circumflex. The circumflex is a diacritic mark that appears above vowels in French language to indicate how the vowel or syllable should be pronounced. Circumflex that comes above A, E, I, O, U, like gâteau means cake. Août means August. Let's practice. Read the following words. Gâteau, août, hôtel. Hotel means hotel. Next French accent, cédille. A punctuation mark that appears as a small tail beneath the letter C. It indicates that the C has a soft S sound when it appears before the vowels A, O, or U. Cédille, like français, means French. Garçon, mean boy. Let's practice. Read the following words. Français, garçon. Next French accent, tréma. This accent affects the sound of a pair of vowels. When it appears above the second vowel in a pair, it indicates that each vowel must be pronounced alone. Tréma, that comes above E, I, U, like Noé, means Christmas or Xmas. Let's practice. Read the following word. Noé,